Today I'm going to show you how to make audio sound muffled in CapCut using a super simple sound effect. This is a great trick if you want to create an underwater feel, make audio sound distant, or add a dramatic filter to a scene. It only takes a few clicks and you can apply it to your clip in just a minute. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut and go to the timeline. Find the audio clip or the video clip that contains the sound you want to change, then tap or click on it so it becomes selected. This is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which clip you want to edit before you can apply any effect. Once your clip is selected, look at the top menu and click Audio. This will open the audio tools and give you access to different sound options. From there, click Sound Effects. Inside the sound effects section, you'll see a search bar where you can look for specific audio styles and presets. In the search bar, type underwater. CapCut will now show you the underwater sound effect, which is the one that gives audio that muffled, filtered, and submerged feeling. Now simply click or tap to apply it to your selected clip. As soon as you do that, your audio should instantly sound softer, more distant, and more muffled, just like it's being heard underwater. If you want, you can play the clip back to check how it sounds and make sure it fits your video. If it feels too strong or not strong enough, you can always adjust your project and test it again until it sounds right. This is a really easy way to change the mood of a scene without needing any advanced audio editing skills. It works especially well for flashbacks, dream sequences, comedic moments, or any edit where you want the sound to feel blocked or far away. And that's it, you've now learned how to make audio sound muffled in CapCut using the underwater sound effect. If this video helped, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.